Hey, everyone. So, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, but the super cool thing about OpenAI is its API for underlying models such as GPT-4. This actually lets you build your own applications super easily. What's more, once you have control over the outputs, you can create your own plugins and tools, which even allows the model to interact with the real world, like ordering airplane tickets, groceries, or controlling a robotic car. Today, we'll be building an autonomous agent for creating websites. By taking an input prompt, it'll use various tools to achieve its goal and create an awesome website. We'll be using the tbox LLM tool marketplace for that. Alright, let's dive in. First, we'll head over to tbox.ai and pick the tools we need. To generate images and build the website, we'll require tools called Generate Image and Website. These are originally provided by tbox. Next, we'll install their Python package, as well as the OpenAI API package. Now, let's learn how to make requests to the OpenAI API. You simply need to create a history of prior messages where each message is a Python dictionary containing the role, assistant, user, or system, and the text of the message. Let's test it out with a system prompt saying, "You are a very helpful assistant," and a user input asking, "What is AGI?" Check out the assistant's output, it makes sense. In this example, we used the GPT-4 model. Time to connect the tools to the model. We'll import the tool and toolbox classes, create the respective objects, and set the correct names for the tools we need, image generation and website building. Then we'll add both tools to the toolbox. But how will the model know that these tools are accessible? Easy, we just add the info to the system prompt. It's also a good idea to include additional information about the role of the assistant and more specific info about tool syntax. For the model, like this. Now we have this awesome system prompt that completely defines the nature of the model. What's next? Just pass the model outputs to the toolbox, find matching commands, and execute them. We'll use some boilerplate code to handle cases where there are no commands or to prepare tool outputs in a neat format, all within a loop. Great, let's test it out with some simple examples. Generate an image of a cat, and as you can see, it works perfectly. Now, let's try to build a website about artificial intelligence. We'll need to wait a bit while it's creating the site, but as you can see, the result is amazing. So, in this short video, we've built our own website creating app by simply combining two tools from the tbox.ai marketplace. But there's so much more that can be done. Stay tuned, and let's explore more possibilities together.